Hey buddies, what's up? So I'm sitting in the car right now and we have done a little bit to the car to get a little bit better driving performance. We are on the way to the Dragstrip right now and race it, see what happens. But first we take a look at the new modification, and I would say we're going in a little pawn of the car right now, how it is right now. And then we see, take a look what I have done, and after that we're heading out to the Dragstrip. Alright buddies, see you then. Alright, yeah, you have seen the car slammed to the ground now. I like it. And it drives even better than before, I hope. Alright fellas, so that is actually before what you have seen already in the slammed car. And yeah, that is the suspension I put in there. So here we got the front shocks, yeah, the coilovers, and the rear shocks, the springs, and the coilovers. And yeah, mounting that stuff is really simple. Basically the rear axle is really simple. And we got some new top mount kits for the front axle. Goes on here. And yeah, I got it in the car, and then I see you in a minute again. And then we take a look at the old suspension. So the suspension is in the car, and here's the old suspension. It's already dark outside. I hurt myself. Damn. But yeah, let's take a look at the old suspension and why it was not good. So that is, I think it was a front left strut, and yeah. And I'm wondering why the car drives like shit. Here it is. I mean, the suspension what is in there was also the cheapest stuff on eBay or whatever. It was $150, and it's not good, but it's better than that. Yeah. So here are the rear shocks. No movement at all anymore. It's kind of oily everywhere. So yeah, springs are still good, but yeah, we went with the new suspension. Anyways, you have seen the intro, and like I said in the intro, I think the intro is like 2 days in front of it now. We are going to the Dragstrip, and we will see how the car performs on the Dragstrip right now. Let's take a look at the Dragstrip.
5 in lane 5. Lane 5. Still goes. Little BMW in the right, little old style truck in the left. This in the left goes 870, 77 miles.
I took it from the guy that
Over the right line.
So they're running for money? How much?
he ran. Remember the first race that he had with the other Ford Charger? They ran for $600 and he won. Then he raced with the Yellow Demon and lost for $100, and now they're running again for I don't know for how much though. I think $100 as well.
All right. Who's gonna make it? Hellcat?
I'll take the Mustang.
The Mustang? I told you the Hellcat is gonna make it. Oh, Drew. Oh, shit. Where's the light? There it is. Alright, I'm already back home, and that are my 4 runs what I have done tonight at the Dragstrip. And that was my very first run. I drove my Jetta against the Hellcat, and reaction time is alright, and I drove a 10.863. It's a not a quarter mile, it's a 1/8 mile, whatever. So, and at 66.31 miles per hour. That's not bad. So the second run, actually at the second run, I didn't get the first gear in, and so I tried to launch it in the second gear does not work at all. So I slammed it in the first gear from the second, and still performed pretty well with 12 seconds. Yeah, but the starter was just messed up as yeah, but yeah, that was the second run. And then another Jetta found me. It was a VR6 Jetta, 24 valve, 193 or 97 horses, I'm not sure right now, but nearly 200 horses. And I raced against him. That was the other black car in the video. And we can see here, let me see, this is my car, this one. So I run a 11:02:12. The reaction time, again the same, like in this one it was a 0.71, and this it was a 0.727. I can get faster with my reaction, but yeah, I just have to figure out the car and everything, and maybe have to work a little bit on the shifter. But yeah, so at this run I beat him by 0.3 seconds. It's not much, but if you see the speed, it's like he was at 63 miles an hour and I was at 66.17 miles an hour. And then that was the last run. So I have done a burnout in this run, and this run was actually without a burnout, and that was one, I think that was my best run at that night. I was running the car on 14 pounds of boost. I couldn't get more at that night, but I ordered another boost controller, and I'm going at Thursday again. But yeah, so I was nearly a second, no, 0.9 seconds faster in the finish, again against the other Jetta. And yeah, reaction time, he was way faster than me. I had a 7.2, and I think 7.2 is my reaction time. It's nearly at every run the same. But what you can see here, I run a 10.83. Yeah, what you can see here, I run a 10.8391 at 66.85, and he was at 63.25. So as you can see, if you put them together, he was 63.24, 63.25. So nothing has really changed. And I was with my without burnout, I got 66.85, almost 67 miles an hour, and with a burnout 66.17. So yeah, I going next week again on the Dragstrip, see what happens. And yeah, so we're probably going on the dyno also, so that's coming in the next video, dyno and Dragstrip probably. That's gonna be a lot of fun, and we see if we can get it over 20 pounds of boost. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.